remember that we started here is bigger than a program. It's all about commitment. A commitment to aim higher, support each other, face 2026 with no fear, and conquering the nation without limits.
Angel Cabatanya and Von Christopher Calderon, Sales Manager. Than the only beautiful Charissa Bernice Piator.
Hindi ako nag-prepare kasi ako naniwala. Thank you, sir. Thank you, kay Adam.
So gusto ko ikwento kasi very memorable sa akin yung interview ko na to. Upon arriving sa building, I went up to the office. So pag-upo ko, on the left side of the room, meron silang parang wall of fame. So every year, ipopost nila yung picture ng top VP. So I think there were around 8 picture frames and almost all of the pictures is one person. Sabi ko, sino kaya tong taong to? Yes, that person is actually Sir Mick. Kaya, take the leap, embrace the unknown, and trust that you're capable of rebuilding. Trust yourself more.
And then Ken told me, sumba lumipat kaso di ka namin afford eh. Hindi ka na. But when they afford mo ako, posibleng hindi. Fast forward, we were talking about regions this time, and sabi niya, there's an opportunity in Davao. What the fuck? Davao? This? Davao? Diba? But, being me, sabi ko, if everyone is stuck in Metro Manila doing their thing, like Jen, Carly, and Ayana, they're best in what they do, they've been delivering and slaying numbers. Sabi ko, if I am going to be the queen of the South, that's a different story. So sabi ko, this time I will be fearless and I will create limitless opportunities for people. I took that leap of faith, and I'd like to thank our CEO, which he really hates, na tinatawag ko siyang CEO, Kendrick Lester Chan, for taking that leap of faith, being fearless, and giving that opportunity to everyone seated here in the cinema.
I would also like to congratulate our top producers, from Manila to Mindanao, and yung corporate-wide, nationwide awardees natin, top producers. Palakpakan naman natin sila ulit, So this 2026, united, we will not hold back, we will not stay comfortable, we will not let fear decide our results. We will keep pushing forward, Cinema 2 without fear. So Manila and Mindanao, let's do this together. Let's do this united because we are united, Prestige. And this 2026, we will face it without fear. Cinema 2. Good morning, everyone. Let's start our kickoff, and thank you, everyone. It's game time.